I thought that this was kind of plain, and there's a really easy way to add some more decorations, so I thought I would just do that for you. And it's helpful to use another square here. I'll just, again, Control-Shift-Click to get me another one of these. I want to know what side, just where the center of this card, this side of the card is, and maybe I would like to center my design on maybe this part of the card. So I'm going to grab a heart, again, Control-Shift and drag, and I'm going to make this heart whatever size I like it to be, and just put it over here and see if it's big enough. And then I can select those. I don't need to select the score line, so I'm going to hide it, but I do need to select the heart in the square and type S to stack that heart in the middle, because I just never know where to put it. And I'm going to move the card down a bit so I'm not clicking it, and I don't need the square anymore. And I want to shadow this. That's the fourth icon from the right on the bottom. And I'll make the shadow width rounded at 0.15 and accept it. And now I can do something really fun with this, and that is I'm going to select the inside, and I'm going to make a lattice out of it by clicking on the third icon from the right on the bottom, and apply. I'm going to use width. You can use any width, gap, angle, rotate that you want, but make sure that you select delete the original and check the inverse lattice, then apply and preview on the mat. And if you don't like the way it looks, drag some of these around and try it again. When you like how it looks, click on accept. And the other thing I wanted to do was convert these to tiny circles, that line that I selected, by using the rhinestones, which is the second icon from the right. You can use any size circles you want. I just chose this arbitrarily. Preview on the mat to see if you like it. If you like the way it is, then accept. Now we have, this is another way to add a design to a card. So all I do is select all and join, and now you can see what the card's going to look like when it's cut. Well, one thing that I forgot to do here before I welded all of this was to make a copy of my edge. Well, I really need my edge because I wanted to show you how to do the next part of the next kind of the design. And so I'm just gonna, I do this a lot, I forget things. So I'm going to select it all and copy it just into my clipboard and just see if I can undo some of this to get my edge back. Sometimes I have my undos set to allow me to only do 50. There, now I have it. Now I'm just going to erase this and do Control-Shift-V to get it back. Just a little trick so that now I have a copy here.